Damn it! Making a game, AI is replacing you. Unity just dropped an agent that vibe codes your game right inside the editor. Full game from just a prompt. So is it over for indie devs or the biggest unlock ever? Let's dive in. If you've ever tried to ship a game in Unity, you know the pain. Idea in your head, maybe a rough design doc, maybe a Figma mockup, and turning that into a working scene with menus, animation, and editor tools is where hours just vanish. You bounce between docs, YouTube, your code editor, copy-paste from some AI tool, fix imports, fix namespaces, and pray nothing breaks. Unity just dropped something that kills all of that. And the real question is it so over for indie devs, or is this a whole new chapter? Unity's new AI beta puts an agent directly inside the editor that actually understands your project. Trained on Unity, tuned for Unity workflows, grounded in your actual scenes, assets, and scripts. It can set up animation state machines, behavior trees, and transitions because it sees what you're working on. Performance debugging is wild. You feed it a profiler capture, it analyzes bottlenecks, and suggests real optimizations based on your game. No more generic use object pooling advice from a chatbot flying blind. Then there's plan mode. Drop in loose ideas or a full game design document, and it builds a structured implementation plan it follows end to end. No more AI saying done halfway through a feature. There's also a skill system with focused modules for things like menu design or scene creation, and you can build your own skills tailored to your project. Now the showcase. In their demo, the scene creator skill builds a believable scene from scratch using existing assets, and the agent generates placeholder materials, sounds, cube maps, and 2D or 3D assets to block things out. Drop in concept art or a mood board, and it sets up a scene with primitives matching the composition, straight into your project. The Figma flow is the one that broke my brain. Paste a Figma link, pick the screen, and the assistant pulls the visual assets, grabs a screenshot, and generates the menu code matching your design, all wired up. Figma in, playable interface out, one conversation. They also showed a custom editor tool that procedurally places objects on a table. Stuff that used to eat an afternoon of editor scripting, now you just describe it. You get checkpoints and rollback across code and assets. AI-generated assets are auto-tagged so you can audit them before shipping, and the agent asks permission before taking action. Not locked in either. The AI gateway lets you bring your own key for third-party agents. There's also a server that lets you control the editor from your code editor or favorite chatbot app, so you stay in your existing workflow. So is it over for indie devs? Honestly, the opposite. A solo dev can now do what used to need a small team, and the gatekeeping of you need 2 years of editor scripting just got way smaller. The flip side, the bar for what a polished indie game looks like is about to jump hard, and I made it alone stops being the excuse for rough edges. Install Unity 6, hit the AI button to grab the assistant package, link to Unity Cloud, done. Links to the Unity AI beta page, docs, and pricing are in the description. Spin it up on a test project. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming hands-on tests, and drop a comment with how you'd use this on your game. See you in the next one.